In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional logic in Paperform. Conditional logic lets your form respond to people's answers so they only see what's relevant. It keeps things clean, reduces confusion, and makes completion faster. Here's how to set it up from start to finish. Begin by opening your browser and searching for Paperform. Look for the official website in the results and click through to the home page. Once you're there, select the Login option and sign into your account to access your dashboard. From the dashboard, open the form you want to work on and switch into the editor view. You'll see your form content on the left and settings on the right. This is where you'll attach the logic that controls what shows up and when. Click on the specific field or element you want to control conditionally. A field could be a question like a multiple choice or a short text, while an element might be a page or even an integration that runs after submission. Selecting it will open its settings panel on the right side of the editor. For fields or pages, look for the Logic tab or the Add Logic button in that settings panel. This is your control center. If you're working with a page, the logic you add here determines whether that entire page appears based on earlier answers. For individual questions, logic controls the visibility or behavior of that single field. Use the drop-down menus to build your rule in a clear, readable way. If question is condition, then action. For example, you might set if "Are you a student?" is yes, then show school name. Conditions can include things like equals, does not equal, contains, is answered, or is not answered. Actions typically include showing or hiding a field or page. Keep your triggers specific and consider how multiple rules might interact so nothing conflicts. If you're controlling an integration, open its settings and apply a similar conditional rule so it only runs when criteria are met. Once your logic is in place, use the preview feature to test how the form behaves with different answers. Try each pathway a respondent might take, confirm the right questions appear at the right time, and verify that hidden items stay hidden. If something doesn't feel smooth, return to the editor, adjust your conditions, and preview again until the flow feels natural. That's all you need to add conditional logic in Paperform. With a few targeted rules and thorough testing in preview, your form will feel smarter, shorter, and much easier for people to complete.